Hello and welcome back to the Matlab video. This video will help you understand what the application Matlab can do. This page shows the application of Matlab that might you don't know about it. Matlab have the several toolbox. For the toolbox one that I will introduce to you about the control system. Matlab can do this part as well. Matlab can design the control system such as the PID control, it can tuning PID and simulation it. Dynamics model design, it can design on Matlab Simulink. This is my example. Is my design about the PV that concern with the solar cell, and it can simulation about the electrical circuit. For the next toolbox that I will introduce you is the data acquisition. The data acquisition is can interface Matlab with the hardware such as the sensor and instrument in several type of the sensor measurements such as the temperature sensor, pressure sensor, flow sensor. You can detect about the rotation, acceleration as you need. The data acquisition toolbox in Matlab can support many hardware such as the Raspberry board or Arduino boards. It depends on you what type of board that you want to use. You can upload and download the data and send the data to the hardware board and get the data to analyze by using the Matlab program. This is the example of diagram to make you understand about it more. If you want to measure the temperatures, you have to have the sensor to measure about it and connect with the board as you want to use. Board is will connect to the computer that install the Matlab program on it. It can upload and download data about it. It can control the sensing about the result as you want about application. For the next part, in part of the database, the Matlab can connect with the database. For example, ODBC, SQL, and more. You can use the database in the Matlab program to analyzing something as you want. In the part of the financial program, this is the good application that Matlab can do. The fuzzy logic and neural network, machine learnings, AI. Matlab can prediction the data in and find the algorithms, optimization the information as you want to analyzing the signal processing. Matlab can analyze the sound and 5 peaks in time domain and frequency domain, and it can create the graphic user interface, or you have you can call it GUI. Okay, first of all, let me introduce about the first page that you open the program. The program might be different from the versions of the Matlab, but main structure is still same. For the first one, the command window, you can calculate it variable and show the result of the running script or code running at here. I will show the example. And the command window will show everything that you like code and everything that you like was kept at the command history, and this is the command history. Okay, the next the workspace it will show the variable that you already use in the program. It show type of the variable, it show class, it show min max, that the min max value of the variable. Okay, I will move to the program to make you understand about it more. This is the command window as I refer. For example, a equal true in part of the calculation, b equal 3. If I want to find the calculation between c equal a plus b and I press enter, it will show the result. Calculation c equal 5. Okay, and this is workspace. It shows the variable a value, b value, c value. Okay, and is one thing that's important about the Matlab is about the current directory part. You have to know where is the directory path that you're running. Okay, the next video I will describe more and more about the detail of the data, the metric data, and how to create in the Matlab program. Okay.